Good morning, YouTube. It's a lovely Monday morning here, and we're off to a great start on our first inspection of the week. What we got here is some good news. We got a upgraded cooling system here, and then on the inside closet here we have an upgraded furnace, which is always good. They're only like 3 years old. However, after taking a closer look, opening up the fuse box here, but there's no fuses. Grounding is not connected going to the actual unit. When using this flexible conduit, this needs to be grounded. It is not grounded, number one. Okay, number two. First thing I noticed was this valve right here. And then it goes to a gas line. So you can see there's a T coming out here, galvanized gas line, which is fine. And then it goes over here and comes up. And there's a typical gas shutoff right here for the furnace, which goes in through here, which they left this as flexible. They should not have done that. Seen how new this unit is? This should have been hard piped all the way out. So this pipe should have extended past the box here and then turned into flexible line. So they may have had to rework this a bit to make that happen, but they just didn't want to, so they left it like this, that's an old way of doing it right here. Back to this valve. This comes off this main line here, and this appears to be going into a wall. You don't put flexible appliance line in through a wall. An earthquake that can rip and tear, and that is just a major safety hazard. So one, this valve is for water supply only. This is not for a gas line. Okay, so then looking into the return duct, I can see a can of Dr. Pepper down there, and that duct is filthy. So this duct needs to be cleaned for sure. So with all these little defects I'm finding here, not to mention the exhaust vent pipe has a bunch of holes in it where there used to be screws, and it's not even fastened correctly. So this pipe is also an issue. So this only leads me to believe there's no permit pulled on this install, and this was installed by the lowest bidder, because this looks like shit. No joke. This looks like shit. So my recommendation now to the client is going to be to get a licensed HVAC contractor here right away and further evaluate this whole system. And I haven't even gone inside yet, so I may find disconnected ducting and so forth.